Today we're going to show you how to make an unusual but simple, elegant looking cake. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero and we're going to show you how to make this crepe cake that looks like a rose. This cake is actually incredibly easy to make. It only involves 3 ingredients. We're going to be using some crepes, some fresh strawberries, and ChocZero's white chocolate hazelnut spread. We're going to arrange it in such a way that it resembles this beautiful looking flower. To start, you're gonna need some keto approved crepes. You can get some at the store using some egg crepes, but we can have some recipes for you listed down below in the description box as well. Depending on how big you wanna make your crepe cake, you'll need around 16 small 6-inch crepes. You wanna cut them into thirds. I cut them twice along the edges to make 3 different strips. To start assembling your crepe cake, you want to take 1 strip, spread some of ChocZero's white chocolate hazelnut spread on top. I love using ChocZero's white chocolate hazelnut spread. It is so delicious, and it's sugar-free, sugar alcohol-free, and it's free of palm oils too. And then place some sliced strawberries on top of that as well. Next, you just start rolling your strip. Layer the next strip with some more white chocolate hazelnut spread, strawberries, and then roll that around as well. Continue this until you have the size of cake that you want. As your cake starts to get larger, it's easier, instead of rolling it, to actually put it up on its side and then just wrap your strips around. I also like to do strips with just hazelnut spread on them and no strawberries, otherwise it just gets a little bit bulky. Once your cake is assembled, you can cut on into it. It makes a really beautiful presentation. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your keto crepe cakes.